I got Xbox Series X and the customer said they have issue on the disk drive. So let's test it. As you can see, they have some issue. If this is the first time you watch me, I repair video game stuff. Don't forget to give me like and subscribe or follow me. So let's fix it. They have two screws, first under this sticker and the second one here. This console is so dusty. I need to open two more screws. First one here and second one is here. This is the disk drive. Okay, the next step is open 4 screws. 1, 2, 3 and the last one here. All the screws is out and let's open it. As you can see, they have something here. Maybe some paper or some card. And here you go, 2 cards, Ono card. Tell me, do you still play Ono card? Before return all the parts back, let's clean the roller. Roller is better than before. Let's return all the parts back and test. I should return 3 ribbon cables. The ribbon cables is back. Don't forget to return 4 screws. The screws is back and let's return the disk drive. I will clean this console after I finish the disk drive issue. Let's test before return all the parts back. Alright, the disk is on. I put it on the wrong way. And yes, it's fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.